So just last month, I was at CanJam in New York City, and if you guys don't know what CanJam is, it's basically a headphones trade show, but usually more high-end stuff than anything else. So there were a bunch of different companies out there, some notable names in the space, and I got to check out some of the new offerings which cover different styles from over-the-ear models to some in-ear stuff. Now, several of these models I'm going to be talking about are available for purchase right now, so if you fancy any of them, they're available for the taking. So let's just jump right in and get started. What can we say about the Audio-Technica M50x BT? For starters, it has the same classic styling and performance of the company's legendary M50x headphones, but now in a wireless flavor for those who prefer not being tethered. We really like how it sticks to the same format with its collapsible design while still adding wireless functionality and the same rich sound performance as its wired counterpart. Now that it's wireless, there are physical controls for media playback functions. And if you still prefer the wired route, there's an auxiliary port just for that. You can pick up the Audio-Technica M50x BT for $200 right now. If you're looking to get the best from Audio-Technica, then you'll want to consider the ATH-ANC 900 BT. Sporting a minimalist design that's also collapsible, the QuietPoint ATH-ANC 900 BT also features digital hybrid noise cancellation, as well as a hear-through function that amplifies voices to allow users to conduct conversations without taking the headphones off. From our quick testing, the noise cancellation worked decently to drown out the ambient noise as we listen to music. If you're interested in them, you'll have to fork over $300 to pick them up. How much would you pay for a pair of in-ear headphones? While most consumers would be content around the $100 range for a premium pair, true audiophiles are willing to spend significantly more. If you're looking to make an impression, then you'll want to consider the Beyerdynamic Xylento Wireless. With its miniaturized Tesla technology drivers, silver-plated cables, aluminum battery casing, and engraved faceplates, the Xylento Wireless looks and feels like an ultra-premium pair of headphones. We didn't get a chance to listen to them, but at its staggering $1,200, it's not something that the average Joe would consider. Even hardcore audio enthusiasts would mull over such an investment, given all the other options out there at lower prices. Somewhat more obtainable, the Beyerdynamic Xylento Wireless sports an intriguing and stylish design with its $450 price point. Yes, the design stands out instantly for its unconventional modern looks, which also happens to feel quite sturdy in the hand. This on-the-ear styled headphones have a tight fit when worn, but the plush cushioning around the ear cups help to make them feel comfortable. The Beyerdynamic Xylento Wireless is notable for the touch-sensitive touchpad on the right ear cup, in addition to personalized sound through the accompanying app. Pricing is still up there, but its unique design and features may be enough to spark interest in some people. And finally, we have the Beyerdynamic Lagoon, a premium pair of wireless headphones with active noise cancellation. Following a more standard-looking minimalist design, what really stands out here are the LED rings embedded into the inside of both ear cups. They act more like accent lighting than anything else, but we definitely appreciate the neat visual aesthetic that they offer. Beyond that, it also features a touch-sensitive pad for media controls, while the active noise cancellations seem to do a good job of canceling out ambient noise. Currently, there's no official price attached to the Beyerdynamic Lagoon, but it's being tipped to fall near the $400 range when it launches sometime soon. And that is it for this video, guys. If you want to learn more about any of the headphones I talked about in this video, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John B, signing off.